personal translator, constant companion. He took over of all the documents, and he meets with the contracting parties of these companies. Would you agree with me if I would say, malaki ang kinalaman ni Cassie Ong sa lahat ng activities ng mga companies na ito?
Yes, yes po.
You said
based
yes.
Yes po. Siya po yung palagi kasama eh.
Mr. Chair, the resource speaker is asking for a time for herself. And I think when she said that, it's incumbent upon everybody to respect that. So let her think by herself. Huwag na nating isama itong mga nakapalibot dito. Nako-confuse yung bata eh. She's still so young. 24 years old. Di ba? Accepting so many... Cassandra, we wanted to help you. Really. Honestly. Sir, can we proceed?
Please proceed.
Don't allow Cassandra na malapitan po ng ano. I mean, bigyan po natin ng pagkakataon yung sinabi niya na she wanted to think about it herself. Okay? Can you, yung picture number 1, pakikita lang po natin. Pick 1, pakita lang natin. Cassandra, yan. I want to show you, para at least alam mo rin, Cassandra, that we have all the documents pertaining to the Whirlwind Corporation and the Lucky South 99. From 2022 up to present, executive assistant ka ng Whirlwind Corporation, and this was submitted sa PAGCOR. 2019, Lucky South 99, consultant ka na. 2023, nasa Lucky South 99 ka, outsourcing as authorized representative. And meron kang tinatawag ng 2021 up to present, yung Cape Forest. And this Cape Forest is very crucial to, Cassie. So we will be asking you sana din mamaya about this. But next picture, pakita po natin yung picture ng PIC 11. So sa PIC 11 po, picture 11, PIC 11. Ito yung sa picture 11, hindi yan ang PIC 11. Sa picture 11, meron dito kasi, ayan, yan is your application form mo, kasi you applied sa PAGCOR. At pirma mo to, di ba, Catherine? Kasi, yun yung pirma mo, ha? Tama? Pirma mo to, di ba? At this was submitted to PAGCOR. At nakalagay dito, I'm duly authorized to submit the application on behalf of the corporation, partnership, other business entity named as applicant. Okay? So, next picture. Picture 23. Picture 3. So, being the authorized representative, ikaw ang binigyan ng karapatan kung sino man ang mga kasamahan mo doon to issue checks. Ayan, tama. And this one, sa Lucky South Outsourcing Incorporated, November 29, 2023, nag-transmit ka by wire ng almost $200,000 doon sa PAGCOR. Ito ay pagkatapos ng meeting nyo kay Altenco. And I will try to ask Mr. Altenco about this. And also, during the time of, that is, I think, September 15, 2023, you issued also $100,000. Di ba? So, ito, ikaw rin na nagpadala. Altenco, Chairman, will you confirm that Ms. Cassandra Ong, together with Mr. Harry Roque, visited you in PAGCOR? But before you answer that, I want to ask Cassandra. Cassandra, kasi si Attorney Harry Roque was telling us that he is your lawyer. Who is your lawyer? Si Topacio ba or si Harry Roque?
Sa Whirlwind lang po.
Sa Whirlwind lang siya lawyer. Dito sa pagdating mo sa Congress, ang lawyer mo na ay si ano?
Attorney Topacio.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for that answer. Happy ako, nakadinig na ako ng sagot mula kay Cassie. Al Tenco, will you confirm that you were able to talk to Cassie together with Attorney Harry Roque?
Your Honor, yes, she went to the office together with, as I had narrated this before, together with Attorney Harry Roque sometime in July 2023.
So, noong July 2023, and after that, will you confirm also that she paid the amount that was due to that company, the Lucky South 99?
On that same day, so it was mali po yung, Your Honor, yun, iba po yung deposit slip na pinakikita ninyo
Yeah,
earlier.
I know.
Opo.
These deposits are after.
Yun na po yung succeeding
Yes,
deposit.
correct.
On that day, July 24, July 26, 2023, they made two payments on that day that we met.
Mhm.
One in the amount of $50,000 US dollars, paid in cash, and the other in the amount of $153,000 US dollars.
So that is the first payment. Two.
First payment. So a total of $203,000 US dollars po on that day that we
Okay.
met.
Okay. Will you confirm that, Cassandra, that you paid that? We will. Don't be afraid. Huwag ka matakot. Basta makikooperate ka lang sa kongresong ito. We will not be adverse sa'yo.
Pakiulit po.
Cassandra, can you reply to what the query of this representation? Yeah, sige, go ahead.
Pakiulit.
Sige, go ahead.
Pakiulit po.
Ha?
Pakiulit po.
Pareho rin.
Pakiulit.
Pakiulit. Will you confirm that you were with Altenco during that time with Attorney Harry Roque and you paid those amount that he mentioned?
Yes po.
Yun. Thank you so much. And those two cash deposit slip, November and September 15, 2023, in the amount of $100,000 and $200,000, you also transmitted this amount.
Yes po.
Ayan. Thank you. Alam mo, makikikooperate naman talaga si Cassie eh. Ang problem lang, the people around, that's the problem that we are encountering. And basically, Cassandra, you are also the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation. Am I right?
Wordwin lang po.
Yes, Whirlwind. You are the beneficial owner. And you have like 58% doon sa Whirlwind. So kanina, going back again doon sa sinasabi namin that merong malalaking tao na nakapaligid sa. You want to have an executive session with that? Para at
I'm
least.
still thinking pa po.
Ha?
I'm still thinking pa po.
You're still thinking?
Yes po. Thank
Okay.
you.
Sige, punta na lang tayo dun sa Mr. Chairman. Kasi meron dito mga incorporators, sila yung bagong mga directors, mga opisyales ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing. We were not able to ask them in the last hearing. Andiyan sila Julian Linsangan, sila Chan, and sila Ong. Sinasabi nyo na that identity theft yung sa inyo. Di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At sinasabi nyo that si Cassandra Ong nakausap nyo through Viber video. Am I right?
We don't know the apps that used by the Dan de la Cruz,
Sige.
Your Honor.
Sige. Well, the chairman have whispered sa akin that I have to wrap up. But this is very important, no? Yung sa tatlong yon. Kasi yung tatlo bang yon, kilala mo? Yung tatlong incorporators na yan? Can you kindly stand up, Julian? Kilala mo ba kasi?
Hindi po. Pero...
Pamilyar?
Naka-video call ko yata.
Naka-video call mo sila? Okay.
I think one time through Dan.
And you were trying to tell us, no, you can sit down. Julian, ano ka legal researcher ka pala, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Legal officer ka rin ng Mighty Corporation.
Before, Your Honor.
Yes, and legal consultant ka din ng Legendary Fireworks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So in other words, you are all qualified to be a official of this corporation. Last question. Sige, last question na ako. I'll be asking you about the itong tinatawag nating kay Marion Ryan Ong Chua. Meron ka bang pinurchase na manager's check in the
Wala
amount
po,
of
Mr.
2.6
Chair.
million?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
At pag napatunayan namin that you did, in the next hearing, we'll be citing you in contempt as well. Ha? And si Julian Linsangan, may alam ka ba sa Yes to Health Incorporated?
Pardon, Your Honor.
Yes to Health Incorporated.
No, Your Honor.
Wala kang alam.
Wala po.
Sa Puting Kahoy, Silang Cavite. Ha?
No, Your Honor.
Na kung saan nakapag-issue ka ng check amounting to 16.7 million. You are under oath. Tanda mo yan, Julian.
No,
You are under oath. 16.7 million. Huwag ka magsisinungaling sa kongresong ito and we will be citing you in contempt. Believe me.
Your Honor, I will check the transaction.
This is
order.
16.7 million. Ang laki nito para makalimutan mo. Meron ba
Ang natatanda ko po 16 million.
sa iyong
Your Honor.
asawa, kay Rachel Ann Linsangan? Yes or no?
Your Honor, ang natatanda ko po sa transaction na yan, meron pong nabentang property na ako yung authorized representative, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. I'm telling you, 16.7 million.
Yes, Your Honor. Yun po yung...
Ito ang sinasabi mo, benta ng lupa.
yes, Your Honor.
Submit to us the deed of sale
Yes, Your Honor.
pertaining to that. Ano?
Yes,
Ha?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sino ang katransaction mo sa 16.7 million? Anong lupa? Saan?
Yun po sa...
Saan?
Yung sa binanggit niyo pong lugar, Your Honor, Puting
Saan
Kahoy.
lugar? Puting Kahoy. Gaano kalaki? Ilang square meter?
2,500 square meter, Your Honor.
2,500 square meter, 16 points. How much per square meter?
It's 7,000, Your Honor.
7,000? Saang area yan?
Doon po sa Puting Kahoy, Your Honor.
Saan nga sa Puting Kahoy? Anong barangay?
Hindi ko po matandaan, but
Alam natin ang assessment ng lupa dyan. Saan? Sa Silang.
I will submit the document, Your Honor.
Ang dami mong lupa.
No, Your Honor.
Para hindi mo malaman yung bentahang yon. You
Your
tell
Honor,
me, honestly, may bentahan ng lupa? Wala.
Meron, Your Honor. Representative lang po ako, Your Honor.
Representative ka lang. O so
Nung-
paano ka nag-transfer ng 16.7 million?
No, Your
Dito
Honor,
sa
hindi-
Y2.
hindi
Y,
po-
yes to health.
Hindi po transfer, Your Honor.
Manager's check.
Wala pong yes to help akong alam, Your Honor. Pero meron akong alam na nabentang lupa, Your Honor.
Anong sinasabi mo restaurant? Wala akong sinasabing restaurant.
Yung yes to help, Your Honor.
So paano mo nalamang restaurant siya?
No, Your Honor.
I did
No,
not
no, no,
even
no.
I did not even mention that it is a restaurant. How did you know that it is a restaurant?
No, Your Honor, I said...
How did you know that it is a restaurant? I didn't even mention it.
I said yes. You said yes, Your
Sabi
Honor.
ko, yes to health. Paano mo nalaman restaurant?
No, wala po binabanggit na restaurant, Your Honor.
Oh, yes to health. Okay. All right. Submit to us.
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
documents.
I will submit
Ha?
the documents, Your Honor.
Deed of sale.
Yes, Your Honor.
Amounting to
All documents,
16.7
Your Honor. I
million.
will submit
Thank you so
all the
much.
documents. Yes.
Mr. Chairman,
Thank you.
be yielding back. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congresswoman Jinky Luistro.
Mr. Chair, may I request for the presence of Ms. Cassandra Ong?
I think she just went to the comfort room. In the meantime, if you wish to direct questions to any of our resource persons, you may do so.
My questions, Mr. Chair, are pertaining to her, although the same will be addressed to the other resource speakers. I want her to witness how these people are testifying about her participation and connection to all these companies.
So we'll give her 1 minute. So while waiting for Miss Cassie Ong, ako may tanong lang ako kay you're the executive assistant of Mr. Attorney Harry Roque, Mr. De La Serna.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ilang taon ka naging executive assistant ni Attorney Harry Roque?
I was an executive assistant to the Office of the Presidential Spokesperson from January of 2021 to November 15 of 2021 po, Mr. Chair.
So, 2020 to 2021? Tama ba yung pagkatinig?
Mali po, Your Honor. Mr. Chair, January of 2021 until November 15 of 2021 po.
So, January 2021 up to November of 2021. Wala pang isang taon.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Did you apply for that position? Anong position mo sa office ni spokesman Attorney Harry Roque?
I was an executive assistant to the Office of the Presidential Spokesperson po, Mr. Chair.
And what do you exactly do in the office of Attorney Harry Roque?
Nag-start po ako as social media. Ako po yung nag-handle ng SOCMED po ni Attorney Roque po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, yung bang item na executive assistant ay item under the office of the spokesperson?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So, anong salary grade niyan?
I'm not sure if it is salary grade 17 or 20 po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige, salamat. Yung bang last hearing, sinasabi ni Attorney Harry Roque that you being his executive assistant, ikaw ang mga kasama niya sa travels. Kasi nga is diabetic ba? Tama ba ako doon?
Ang dami niya pong sakit, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And nurse ka ba?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Meron ka bang background sa medicine?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Ilan kayo executive assistant sa office ni Attorney Harry Roque?
Alam ko po, madami po siyang staff po, but the EA post is until EA 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 po.
And you are EA?
EA 3 po ako, Mr. Chair.
EA 3?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, yung EA 1, EA 2, sinasama rin ba ni Attorney Harry Roque sa travels abroad?
EA, based on my knowledge, Mr. Chair, yung nakabiyahe lang po na EA is EA3, ako po yun, EA2, and the EA5 po.
Okay.
EA4 din po pala, Mr. Chair.
EA 1, 2, 3, and 4?
No po, Mr. Chair. 2, 3, 4, 5 po, Mr. Chair.
2, 3, 4, and 5. EA, ang daming EA pala, no? No office ng spokesperson?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and your job description ay you handle the social media of the spokesperson as well as his travel companion. Kasama ba yon sa job description mo?
Nung nag-start po kasi ako kay Sir Harry po, Mr. Chair, there was no post in Malacanang. That's why I first handled this social media po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Salamat sa sagot mo. Alam mo rin ba na it seems kasi na you're very, very close to Attorney Harry Roque, tama?
Yes po, Mr.
Can you
Chair.
say that among all the executive assistants, ikaw ang closest to Attorney Harry Roque?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Is that the reason kung bakit ginawa ka niyang incorporator sa isang kumpanya niya?
Mr. Chair, to my knowledge on that po, Mr. Chair, it was Attorney Val po na nagpa-sign po sa akin that time kasi kailangan na po nila ng magko-complete po sa corporation po nila.
Sige. Sige, we will ask you questions again later. Now that Ms. Cassie Ong is here, I now recognize Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Chair, I wish to invite the attention of Cassie Ong
Cassie,
as I propound questions to the other resource speakers. Ms. Baterna, do you know Ms. Cassandra L. Ong?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Kilala mo si Cassandra Ong.
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Bakit mo siya kilala?
Parang siya po yung boss ko po, Mr. Chair.
Siya ang boss mo.
Yes po, Madam
And as
Chair.
your boss, anong mga orders ang ibinigay niya sa'yo at sinunod mo?
Aside from signing documents po, Madam Chair,
What else, Ms. Baterna? Ano pa ang mga iniuutos sa'yo ni Cassandra Ong bilang boss mo?
documents po, tsaka po sa cheque po.
Documents and checks. Na kaninong pangalan yung mga cheque?
Meron po akong nakapangalan sa akin, Madam Chair.
And what do you do with those checks which are in your name? Anong ginagawa mo doon sa mga checking nasa pangalan mo?
Minsan po nag-uutos po siya, halimbawa, mag-issue ka ng, halimbawa po, 10 pieces worth of like 15,000, ganun po. Tapos sinusulat ko po.
In other words, Ms. Baterna, ikaw ay taga-issue at taga-perma lamang. Tama ba?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Pagkaka-issue at pagkaka-perma mo, ibinibigay mo na kay Cassandra Ong at si Cassandra Ong na ang bahala kung anong gagamitin niya sa cheque. Tama ba?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
I remember you committed last time to execute a waiver para sa iyong bank accounts. You're giving the committee the authority to see all information about your bank accounts. Do you confirm?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Have you executed that waiver, Ms. Baterna?
Yes po.
May we know from the COMSEC if we have requested information already from the banks?
COMSEC?
Your Honors, Mr. Chair, just this morning, the witness took the oath, and so we have not yet asked the details from the bank. It was just this morning that her waiver was notarized by the public attorney.
And with that waiver, Ms. Baterna, we will be able to find out, tama ba? Sino ang pinagbigyan, binayaran ng mga cheque ni Cassandra Ong, tama?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Baterna. May I proceed to Ms. Mascareñas? Ms. Mascareñas, do you know Cassandra Leong?
Yes po.
Why do you know her?
Kasama ko po siya sa office.
Who is she in your office?
Translator
Boss mo
po.
ba siya o
Hindi
ikaw
po.
ang boss niya?
Parang same lang kami ng position.
Parehas lang kayo. So what does she do in your office?
Nung una po kasi, nung na-interview muna siya, doon ko siya first time na nakita. Tapos hanggang sa pumasok na siya, although di ko na po matandaan kung kailan, pero most definitely nauna po ako sa kanya. Tapos, ang alam ko, parang personal translator siya ni Mr. Wu. Tapos lagi siyang kasama sa mga meetings. Tapos, until such time na siya na rin po yung nagipag-deal sa lahat ng mga kung sinong dapat kausapin. And yung mga papers, kinuha na rin po niya before ako tanggalin nung December.
Let's discuss it one by one, Ms. Mascareñas.
Okay po.
You first mentioned personal translator. Tama?
Yes po. Yun po yung alam ko. Yun.
Second is?
Yung pong kasama siya palagi ng boss.
Constant companion ni Mr. Wu.
Yes po.
What else?
Nag-take over po ng mga application ng documents.
She took over of the application of the companies.
Yes po.
With which office? Saang opisina?
Nakalocate po kasi kami sa Dragon Wealth System Office sa Prince Hotel. Pero yung mga tinatransact po na documents is yung Whirlwind and Lucky South. Although, personally po, alam ko, hindi ako nag-sign kasi, I mean, na-sign ko yung papers ng application ng Lucky South, pero wala po ako nung siya, notarize. I'm not present po kasi sa pagkakatanda ko, na-notarize po siya sa Bamban. Never po ako nagpunta sa Bamban para magpirma.
So
Or
you mentioned,
mag-ano.
Ms. Mascareñas, first is personal translator. Second is constant companion.
Yes po.
Third, she took over of all the application documents of Lucky South and Whirlwind.
Yes.
And if my memory serves me right, the fourth one that you said, he deals and meets
Yes.
with the people concerning Lucky South and Whirlwind. Do you confirm this?
Yes po. Yes.
Aside from these four, do you recall any other thing that she does during the time that you are still with those companies? How about the payment of salaries?
Ako po yung, kinukuha ko lang po yun sa manager. Sa manager. Tapos, normally po, bibigay na lang yung salary sa akin. Iabot ko lang siya dun sa kasama ko sa office. Pero sa ibang staff and kitchen staff, ibang staff, sila na po yung nagbibigay.
You mentioned earlier about Mr. Wu.
Yes po.
Who is Mr. Wu?
Big boss po.
Boss.
Yes
When you
po.
say boss, does it mean all of you receive orders from him, Mr. Wu?
Si Mr. Wu po kasi hindi naman siya lahat nagde-direct ng order. So, pili lang.
So from whom do you receive order, Ms. Mascareñas?
Mr. Wu po.
Mr. Wu.
Yes,
How
nakadirect
about
po
the
kami.
other employees in the company? From whom do they receive orders?
Managers po. Mga Chinese managers.
Chinese managers. Among the Filipinos who are there and below the level of Mr. Wu and the managers Chinese, sino sa inyo ang pinakatanungin at nagdi-decide about the operation of Lucky South and Whirlwind?
Kasi po nung nandun ako, wala pa pong operation. I think nag-start siya around 2020 based sa mga naririnig ko po dito sa hearing. As far as I'm concerned, hindi ko po sure ha. Ang alam ko po, silang nag-usap.
What do you mean
Miss
sila?
Cassie. Si Mr. Wu po and Cassie and Chinese manager
By
po.
Cassie, are you referring to Cassandra Ong?
Yes po.
Given the fact na personal translator, constant companion, he took over of all the documents, and he meets with the contracting parties of these companies. Would you agree
Mr. Chair.
with me if I would say, malaki ang kinalaman ni Cassie Ong sa lahat ng activities ng mga companies na ito?
Yes, yes po.
You said yes.
Yes po. Siya po yung palagi kasama eh.
Thank you. May I proceed to Mr. De La Serna? I remember you testified before. I just don't know if it is before this committee or before the Senate. Tumira ka sa Lucky South. Do you confirm?
Yes po, Your Honor. Good evening po.
Can you enlighten us again? Bakit ka dun tumira sa Lucky South?
Pakiulit po, Your Honor.
You stayed, you lived, you
Yes, okay,
resided in the premises of Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor. I lived in that property because I am currently a student pilot in the aviation school in Clark po, Your Honor.
You were a student of aviation?
An aviation school kahit ngayon po, Your Honor, I'm currently a student in an aviation school in Pampanga
But
po.
during the time that you were still living in Lucky South, bakit ka tumira doon?
Because I am studying in a aviation school in Pampanga po, Your Honor.
I see. You lived inside the premises of Lucky South because you were studying aviation in Pampanga.
Yes po, I'm currently a student pilot po in Pampanga.
Please limit your answer to the questions.
Yes
Now,
po.
Mr. De La Serna, can you tell us the inclusive date when you were living inside the premises of Lucky South? Kailan ka nag-umpisa at kailan natapos yung pagtira mo sa Lucky South?
To my knowledge po, Your Honor, nang first ko pong dating sa property po was on... Can I check my calendar po, Your Honor?
Just the approximate date, Mr. De La Serna.
Around November po ako first nagpunta po doon.
November, that is 2000?
2023 po, last year po, Your Honor.
November 2023 until?
Andun pa po yung gamit ko until now po, Your Honor.
Until now, until the raid.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mabuti hindi ka nasama sa raid.
Andun lang po yung mga gamit ko, Your Honor, but meron na pong nakitang rent, room for rent in Pampanga.
Are you trying to tell us na nung nag-conduct ng raid, hindi ka na nakatira doon sa Lucky South?
Yes po, Your Honor, pero andun po yung iba ko pong gamit po.
So saan ka nakatira nung nagkaroon ng raid sa Lucky South?
I rent a place po near my school na po, Your Honor.
In other words, kaya ka wala dun sa lugar during the raid dahil ibang lugar na ang tinitirahan mo, tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And can you please tell us, are you paying for the lodging in Lucky South?
No po, Your Honor.
So you were staying in Lucky South for free, tama?
Po, Your Honor.
And how far is Lucky South from your aviation school?
10 to 15 minutes po, Your Honor.
10 to 15 minutes. So it is close, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who allowed you to live inside Lucky South?
Ang kinakusap ko is Ma'am Cassandra Leong po, Your Honor.
Which means, Mr. De La Serna, kapag may titirang mga tao sa Lucky South, it is Cassie Ong who decides.
Yun ang hindi ko po. But in my case po, Your Honor, siya po yung kausap ko. Sa iba,
Aside from you, may iba pa bang nakikitira dun sa Lucky South?
hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
But based on your daily observation, syempre, doon ka nakatira. Umuuwi ka doon, umaalis ka doon. That is your daily routine.
Yes,
Wala
Your-
ka bang ibang nakikita o napapansin na nakatira other than you?
Nakastay ako sa lodging houses ng employees nila, Your Honor. So, may nakikita naman po akong tao, Your Honor.
Are you an employee of Lucky South?
No po, Your Honor.
So, do you confirm na ikaw ang nag-iisang pinatira na hindi naman empleyado ng Lucky South?
I can only confirm na nag-stay po ako doon, Your Honor. Pero if may iba pong nag-stay doon, I cannot confirm po.
But at least you can confirm, wala ka ng ibang kilala na hindi empleyado na pinatira doon sa Lucky South. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
What is so special about you? Bakit ka pinatira doon ng Lucky South?
I was properly introduced by my previous employer po, Attorney Roque po, Your Honor.
And who is Attorney Roque to Cassandra Ong?
Ang alam ko po, Your Honor, he handles the ejection case of Whirlwind Corporation po.
He handles the case for ejection,
Yes po.
ejectment.
Yes po, Your Honor.
And of course, si Cassie Ong, may iba naman silang mga lawyers eh. Pero bakit walang ibang pinatitira doon na mga empleyado? Why only you?
Nakatira po ako doon, Your Honor, because I need a place to stay because I am a student pilot in Pampanga
I
po, Your
know,
Honor.
but there are a lot of people who needs a place to stay as well, for free, the same as you. Anong dahilan at pinatira ka doon ni Cassandra Ong? What is extraordinary about you? Bakit hindi siya nagpatira nung iba? Marami din ang nangangailangan ng libreng tirahan. Do you understand that, Mr. De La Serna?
Yes po, Your Honor. I cannot answer that, Your Honor, kasi I am not the decision maker naman po, Your Honor.
But at least you can confirm na sa iyong pagkakaalam, wala ka ng ibang nakita na hindi empleyado na pinatira sa loob ni Kasiong. Tama? It's just a yes or a no.
Before I answer that, Your Honor, I want to say that wala po akong kakilala po doon sa loob po ng compound.
Wala kang ibang kilala except for Kasiong.
Yes po, Your Honor.
And the reason kung bakit tumira ka doon is because Kasiong has the authority to decide for Lucky South. Tama? Yes. Otherwise, hindi ka makakatira sa loob ng Lucky South.
Okay po, Your Honor.
I wish to direct the next question to the PAGCOR, perhaps Attorney Fernandez, to lessen the burden of Chairman Altenco. I just want to, you know Kasiong.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you know her?
She went to our office po regarding Lucky South 99 po, regarding po the arrears that they have po in 2023.
And she was representing which company?
Lucky South 99.
And she was accompanied by?
Attorney Roque po.
Yes. In other words, she went to your office to represent Lucky South along with a lawyer in the person of Attorney Harry Roque.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we hear from PAOK? Do we have PAOK here?
I think the PAOK excuses themselves, no, because they are going to file cases.
I wish to address the question this time to Ms. Ong. Ms. Cassandra Ong, narinig mo ba ang testimonya nilang apat?
Yes po.
Kilala ka ni Baterna. Ikaw ang gumagamit ng cheque niya. And soon, we will be able to find out kung sinong binayaran mo using her checks. Kilala ka ni Miss Mascareñas because you took a great part in the operation of Lucky South and Whirlwind. Are you listening, Miss Cassandra Ong? Kilala ka rin ni Mr. De La Serna dahil ikaw ang nagpatira sa kanya. Kilala ka rin ng taga-PAGCOR dahil ikaw, kasama ni Attorney Harry Roque, ang naglalakad ng papeles ng Lucky South. You acknowledge that?
Mr. Ano po, pwede po ako humingi ng 2 minutes to consult my lawyer.
2 minutes for what?
To consult
Tinatanong ko lang kung naiintindihan mo. Nakilala ka nilang apat.
Yes po.
Of course. And are you aware of the case that has been filed already by PAOK with the Chinese national who were arrested within the premises of Lucky South? Alam mo ba kung anong kaso na ang isinampa?
Hindi po.
They were charged with qualified human trafficking. And by qualified human trafficking, Ms. Cassandra Ong, kagaya ng inexplain sa iyo ni Chairman Dan Fernandez, non-bailable offense yan. It is a capital offense. And with your direct participation in the operation of this Lucky South, there is a strong probability that you will be indicted as well for the crime of qualified human trafficking. Dahil sa testimonya nila at ng mga lulutang pang testigo, maaring ikaw ay masampahan din ng qualified human trafficking, walang piyensa, capital offense. Nakahanda ka ba dito, Ms. Ong? Please answer the question, Ms. Ong.
You want 2 minutes for...
To talk to my lawyer po against my right.
You want to talk to your lawyer? I thought you're asking for the executive session. No? Not yet? Not yet.
Yes po.
Will you allow it, Chairman?
Can I finish first, Mr. Chair, before
Okay,
she
please proceed.
confers with...
Pagkatapos ng
Her
mga
lawyer.
tanong ni Congresswoman Luistro, we will give you 2 minutes.
Ms. Cassie Ong, look at me. I want you to understand, ikaw ang tinuturo ng maraming resource speakers na nakakaalam ng operation ng Lucky South. Kung saan nakita ang mga torture victims, ang mga murder victims, ang mga human trafficking victims. The pictures that were shown by Chairman Dan Fernandez. Sa katunayan, may mga Chinese nationals na nasampahan ng qualified human trafficking. And chances are, Ms. Ong, posible na ikaw ay mapasama sa kasong ito. Ang tanong, nauunawaan mo ba itong posibilidad na ito? Nauunawaan mo ba, Ms. Ong?
Yes po.
At kung nauunawaan mo, naiintindihan mo din ang posibilidad na ikimakulong, walang labasan, walang piyensa. Naunawaan mo yun?
Pwede ko itanong sa lawyer ko about that?
Kasi Ong, now you are being offered an executive session. Because ako, I honestly believe you are just a tip of the bird. Help the Quadcom. You know why? Posibleng hindi lang yung nasa pictures ni Chairman Dan. Posibleng sa oras na ito, may mga taong kasalukuyang biktima ng same POGO operators. Would you like to avail of this executive session?
Pag-isipan ko po muna.
I am done, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Congresswoman Jinky Luistro. 1 minute suspension.